Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the pin for a Honeywell T10. If you're trying to get into the installer settings or something else that it's asking for the pin, I'm going to show you where to find that. But before we do, please click that subscribe button. Thank you.
Okay guys, so we've got a few things that I want to touch on real quick with the T-Series, and that is I've realized there is no one way to find the pin with all models. Some of the models are done differently, and with some of the line, it actually changed. So I'm going to point out a couple things. The first thing is with some of the models, I don't think the T10 is included, but some of the models, 1, 2, 3, 4 will work as a pin. If that doesn't work, another way is a lot of the models, if you pop the thermostat off the wall, there will be a pin located on there somewhere, a 4-digit number. And so with this particular one, you can see off here to the left, it says 1912, okay, is our 4-digit number on this one. And this one, it's on the bottom left. Some of the T6s, it's up here on the top right. But just somewhere, you'll see kind of a 4-digit number hanging out all by itself. So with this one, it says 1912 over there. With some of the models, if you take that number, whatever that 4-digit number is, add 1, 2, 3, 4 to that number, and that'll be your pin. So let's just say that the 4-digit number on the back was 1111. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4 to that would make your pin actually 2345. But with this particular thermostat, that code, we don't need to add anything to it. Our 4-digit code is 1912. So if we go down here to installer settings, 1912, and that gets us into it. Finally, if you don't see that 4-digit number, or if it's not working, you should be able to, the instructions on the T10 actually does say, if you go into the thermostat information. So let me back out. So if you're on the home screen and you tap the menu, and then you come down to thermostat information, your date code is your pin. So as you can see, again, it's 1912 on this particular thermostat. And I already showed you, but if you go down to installer options, 1912, that'll get you into it.
So that's it, guys. If you have a Honeywell T10 and you're having an issue with something, comment down below. I'd love to help you with that. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.